Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, March 31st. We're seeing some patchy low clouds out there this morning with a little bit of sunshine. We are going to see clouds continue to increase as we go throughout the day today, and then seeing rain chances increase late this afternoon into this evening, becoming likely overnight as the system moves through the southeast. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, there's this low pressure that is currently across the deep south, bringing quite a bit of rain down there. That's going to continue to track eastward as we go throughout today and into tonight, and it's going to start to curve a little bit northeastward once it reaches the coast and then begin to deepen. That's going to bring us some rain across mainly the southern half of the Delmarva, as well as seeing some breezy winds overnight, and then we'll see that rain end by the mid-morning hours of tomorrow. Take a quick look at our satellite loop this morning. Currently seeing those mid and upper level clouds starting to increase across mainland Virginia. This will continue to move eastward as we go over the next couple of hours, becoming overcast in the mid levels by about lunchtime. And then also just going to continue to see those patchy low clouds throughout the day as well. As of 8 a.m., seeing scattered cloud deck at 800 feet, scattered at 6,000, broken at 25,000. Winds were calm, temperature of 45 degrees. For today, going to be seeing a high of around 52 degrees late this morning, and then once those easterly winds kick in, we'll see that drop down to near 50 degrees into the upper 40s as we get those clouds increasing as well. Going to be seeing those winds become easterly at 7 to 12 knots late this morning, then northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots by the mid-afternoon hours, continuing to see northeasterly winds increase throughout the late afternoon and into the overnight hours. We are going to be seeing a wind advisory become likely overnight as we see some of those gusty northeasterly winds up to around 30 knots at times. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing few to scattered cloud deck around 800 feet throughout the much of the day, as well as seeing some clouds near 2,000 feet develop this afternoon. Also going to be seeing that mid-level cloud deck become overcast at 16,000 feet by lunchtime, and then slowly lower as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon and into the early evening hours. We will see ceilings then lower down to around 500 to 1,000 feet overnight once we get into those scattered showers with overcast around 2,000 feet for much of the overnight hours, possibly lower if we get into any moderate shower activity, and that will continue as we go into the mid-morning hours of Wednesday. We are seeing tides 1 to 1.5 foot above normal out there this morning, and they are expected to increase a little bit as well as those easterly winds continue to ramp up. Take a quick look at our short-term weather model just to show you how those showers are going to progress. This is 10 a.m. this morning. As we move through the time frame here, this model is showing some weak returns across the southern portion of the Delmarva by early afternoon. There's a little bit of disagreement on exactly when the timing for the rain will arrive, but it does look like by the time we get into the late afternoon, early evening hour, that is going to be the best time to start seeing some sprinkles out there, and then we'll see showers increase a bit as we get into the overnight hours, becoming likely overnight. And then as we go into mid-morning tomorrow, we'll see that low start to move eastward, and then does look like shower activity will end by 10 a.m. tomorrow at the latest. So for tomorrow, we're going to be seeing cloudy early with that slight chance of lingering shower before 10 a.m., then mostly cloudy. It will be breezy at times with a high of 52. Wednesday night, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy to seasonable with a low of 40. Then Thursday, partly to perhaps mostly cloudy and seasonable with a high of 58. And it is going to be breezy at times as that low is going to be well offshore, deepening, and that'll help to tighten the pressure gradient across the mid-Atlantic region. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. Have a great day.